Hi, good morning friends. Today you are learning about ACB control diagram simulation. This is the LB panel. This is the incomer 1. This is the incomer 2. Incomer 1 is a normal supply. This is the generator supply. This is how to control this ACB. Today you are single line diagram simulation in this video. So let's start. This is the normal supply, this is the generator supply. This is the UBR for normal supply, this is the UBR for the generator supply. This is the selector switch, this is the control fuse, this is the future interlock. So now today start this video. This is the selector switch for close. When this button, push button is close, you see already this is a close indication is coming. ACB now is close position. This is the stop. See, when I click this stop, see the stop position. When this is the trip indication. When you ACB is trip, that time it will be indication the trip indication. Yeah, I was checking this simulation. Check, this is the trip. This is the trip indication line. When is the trip coming from the ACB inside? So this is the normal supply, this is the generator supply. So when we start in this is the manual mode, we go to auto mode. See, this is going to auto mode. Auto mode we are providing in on delay timer and PLC command. This is, I will check in PLC command. Yeah, PLC command is coming. When already start the ACB. Same also a command, closing command from PLC. Yeah, it is closing. This is the auto mode. It will work in timer and PLC command. So in this time, interlocking between these two are, that is also you are now checking. So again we go to manual mode. Manual mode. And manually on normal supply, it is on. So now we are start to generator supply, manual mode. It cannot be on because we are providing interlock. See, I start the generator supply, but it cannot be closed because we already are interlocking providing between these two circuits. So it is on already. This is the closed position. So it is cannot be closed because both are on set time cannot be switched on. This is providing interlocking. When it is stop, now it is stop. Now it will be on in manual. See, it is now closed. This is the interlocking. It is also start from PLC and timer, on delay timer. So it is also start the manual mode, auto mode. See, auto mode, it is coming from PLC. Yeah, it is on. Also it is stop from PLC. Yeah, it is stop. This is the simulation video of ACB circuit simulation. Thank you for watching this video.